निगाहें हमारे अब हैं लियो मेसी के ऊपर।
Yes, a couple of World Cup champions there, Rodrigo De Paul and Leo Messi already waving to the crowd. Five-time La Liga champion Luis Suarez, Copa America champion as well. But three of them most recently MLS Cup champions coming all the way from Inter Miami. What a grand occasion this is, and they have been in sold out stadiums. They have played World Cup finals, Copa America finals, Champions League finals, but still I'm sure they will be feeling the electricity here at the Salt Lake Stadium.
Liam, I'm pretty sure if you were sitting in the International Space Station today, this row will possibly reach that. Believe me, Kolkata has had the record before. We talked about derbies, but this is something different. Something from a different dimension where gods and monsters trade alike.
The great Uruguayan won 43 international games for his country. He scored 69 goals. And Rodrigo Javier De Paul for Argentina. He scored just 2 goals because he's a defensive midfielder and played 83 games. And he's being introduced, all the players being introduced to the Indian legends. And again, this is a wonderful moment, a fan moment, a fanboy moment.
They're legends in their own right of Indian football, but when you come up against the GOAT and you see him in the flesh, you get a few autographs in as well. This is fantastic to see from the great man. A few autographs on the jerseys which will be cherished forever and ever. Nice to see Rodrigo De Paul just enjoying the sun, soaking in the sun.
क्या होगा? 500 आदमी घेर के रखा है मेसी को, सब नेता भी नेता लोग। हम लोग को क्यों बुलाया? ये देखिए टिकट 10 आदमी लोग क्या करने आएंगे हम लोग? पब्लिक मतलब बेवकूफ है बंगाल में। देख लीजिए 10,000 रुपए का टिकट है, 12,000 रुपए का। एक शक्ल नहीं देख पाया उनका हम लोग। सब नेता लोग घोर के रखा है उसको पूरा एकदम
घटिया, एकदम घटिया इवेंट। 10 मिनट के लिए आया, सारे नेता मंत्री कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिसर सब उनको घेर लिए, कुछ नहीं देख पाए, ना एक किक आउट करवाया, ना एक पेनल्टी लिया, कुछ नहीं किया। शाहरुख खान को भी लाना का बोला था, कुछ नहीं लाया, 10 मिनट के लिए आया, चला गया, पूरा फ्रॉड करके चला गया। इतना लोगों का पैसा, इमोशन, टाइम सब बर्बाद, कुछ नहीं देख पाए, कुछ नहीं देख पाए।
नहीं किया जा रहा है मेसी को क्योंकि इतना भीड़ है उसके आसपास में। हम लोग सोचे थे कि एक बार बॉल टच करेगा या फिर कुछ फ्री किक भी होगा या फिर पेनल्टी भी शूट आउट होगा दोनों तरफ, कुछ नहीं, बस आया, देखा और चला गया। हम लोग स्पॉट ही नहीं कर पाए सही से, 10 मिनट भी नहीं था सही से। बाहर सब लोग देख रहे हैं, मतलब अंदर से हम लोग कुछ नहीं देख पा रहे। ये एक फ्रॉड के अलावा और कुछ नहीं कह सकते हम लोग।
क्या नाम है आपका?
रियान।
क्या कहोगे?
बहुत घटिया था वो बॉल दिखाया था बुके में, पहले से शूट आउट होगा, कुछ भी नहीं था, पूरा शिट था, बहुत घटिया, बहुत खराब, बहुत कुछ भी नहीं देख पाया, पूरा स्कैम था, पूरा स्कैम, पूरा वेस्ट टाइम का वेस्ट था, पूरा मनी भी वेस्ट था, पूरा सब कुछ वेस्ट।
Very disappointed, yeah. We are very disappointed because हम अपने it's a weekend right for the children and we came that my child was so excited कि हम मेसी को देखेंगे, पर हम मेसी को नहीं देखे। It was full disappointment, and it's a scam I think for people around. Shouldn't be doing, and Messi जब वो ground में आए तो everybody surrounded him, so there was no space that we could हम देखे मेसी को, right? अंकिता,
मैनेजमेंट बहुत बुरा था, बहुत बुरा था। मैनेजमेंट एकदम बकवास था। इतना पैसा खर्च करके लोग दूर दूर से आए हैं और ये हम लोगों को देखने को मिला। हम लोग एग्जिट गेट पे थे, उसीलिए थोड़ा झलक मिला, और इतना मॉब था मीडिया और वीआईपी के साथ, बहुत बुरा, बहुत बुरा।
In Kolkata.
Loves it. He absolutely loves it, and I think this is what the change is all. Just see the celebrations in the stands. It is a festival. Yes, Christmas is around the corner, but we now have a pre-Christmas festival, and that is called the GOAT Tour. Lionel Messi arriving in the city of joy.
And just to see the close-ups of the fans, many of them in tears, such an emotional moment, so attached are the Indian faithful, the Kolkata faithful to the great man and to the game of football itself. You saw a quick celebration there. Somebody just got an autograph of Messi and goes on celebrating like they've scored a goal.
लियो मेसी के संग में रोड्रिगो डी पॉल और लुइस सुआरेज भी है। और ये पश्चिम बंगाल की जो क्रीड़ा मंत्री जो है आरोप विश्वास वो भी घूम रहे हैं और ये सारे खिलाड़ियों से भी वो परिचित हो रहे हैं। हैंडशेक्स कस्टमरी, ये जो क्षण जो है ये एक खिलाड़ी के लाइफ में, किसी के भी लाइफ में बहुत ज्यादा आता नहीं।
In fact, a lot of players won't even get it. It's a once in a lifetime moment. It's like a dream that you see in the wildest of your dreams. It has come true today. And that's why, Liam, you just said, getting an autograph and celebrating it, believe me, that's more to him than possibly winning a World Cup.
We spoke about it, Rohit, yesterday as well. Just being in the same periphery as the great man, as these three great players, it is overwhelming for us as well.
Actually, we have given so much money for this event, and the most important thing is that Messi has come for this event. And what message we have given to the Messi, this government, this like sports minister. I am seeing the sports minister is clicking selfie with Messi, and everyone is trying to manage the people. But for these people, the engagement is happening into the ground. And what message you have given to the Messi? What message he has been taken to from the India? This is the main thing from the Calcutta. Nothing has been happened. Shah Rukh Khan hasn't came. I don't know about Shah Rukh Khan as the chief minister. These are all dignitaries, but it's very shameful for the absolute event management, and I would say the government as well. My name is Shorin Bhattacharya.